when we think about eating the rainbow, we may not initially think of root vegetables, but registered dietitian Nicole Osinga is here to prove us wrong with these selections from Gwillimdale Farms. Thank you for being here, Nicole.
Yeah, thanks so much, Simone, for having me.
You have an incredible spread, but you want to talk a little bit about the farm where all these products are from.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So, like you said, root veggies are so underrated. I think when we talk about eating the rainbow, we might not initially think of them, but today I'm featuring a vibrant variety of root veggies from my partner, Gwillimdale Farms. So Gwillimdale Farms is a 5th generation family-owned farm located in Bradford, Ontario, and they've actually grown into Ontario's largest grower, packer, and shipper of field-grown carrots, parsnips, beets, potatoes, and onions, which is amazing. They're open 365 days a year, and they're nourishing families across North America. And all these recipes can be found on gwillimdalefarms.com.
Fabulous. And it's right in our back door because Brantford's not too far away. So tell us a little bit about, you have 3 different, root veggies that we're going to be looking at. Let's start with the first one.
Yes. Yeah. So with the orange color, carrots, we think of eye health, which of course they can be helpful for. Yeah. But the combination of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants also helps with our immune health, heart health, gut health, and of course our vision health as well. Yeah. So, so many great nutrition benefits. And then this recipe right here are barbecue pulled carrots. So great option. Yeah, great option for those who are vegetarian or just, those looking to cut down on meat this summer. Yeah. So super easy. You're kind of roasting the onions and the carrots, adding a barbecue sauce, and then putting it on a bun here. So perfect.
Yeah, that's also super inventive because, sometimes you might not want to do the pulled pork today. Yes. Maybe you have the carrots that have been sitting in your fridge and you find them in the back like I usually do.
Totally.
So, yeah, that's a great way. Okay, sometimes we're moving on to beets. These might be a little bit of an intimidating root vegetable to kind of tackle. So let's talk about this recipe.
Yeah, so onto our red color, and the beets and the red onions, they add such a vibrant color to our plates. So nutritionally, beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which can help with promoting a healthy blood flow. They're also really loved by athletes as well. And then with the red onions are really great for prebiotic fibers, really helpful for nourishing our gut bacteria there. So what I did with the beets, I made these delicious beet burgers, which again can be found on gwillimdalefarms.com. So really nice, packed with protein. And then also too, with the beets, if you wanted to, Simone, just put on these Peruvian pickled onions on top of the beet burger there.
Okay.
This recipe is awesome to have in your fridge and just to add some color, flavor, nutrients to your summer dishes, which is amazing. You have the onions, you have some cucumbers in there too. Yeah.
This is also it also looks so simple to make too. Yes. It also looks like it could just be a standalone item in itself as well.
I would eat it standalone, absolutely.
Why is it that root vegetables might be, overlooked sometimes by people?
Yeah, it's a good question. I think, and I think just like the nutrition components, like there is so much nutrition to them, and they're also so versatile. So I just think and these root veggies too, they're great all year round and can be used really, they're great in any season, unlike, some of our sort of leafy greens, kind of season dependent. So yeah, definitely want to capitalize on them.
Absolutely. Yeah. And they're also so beautiful and colorful too. You have one final recipe that you want viewers to also keep in mind too.
Yes, yeah. So onto our lighter colored vegetables. Okay. So we have our white parsnips and our potatoes. I featured some yellow potatoes here. So these sides I can guarantee will be loved by your whole family. So I have some air fryer parsnips, and parsnips are great for antioxidants and a fiber boost. And then these sort of make your own loaded roasted potatoes are awesome, or baked potatoes, I should say. And potatoes are really great for our gut, and they have a lot of resistant starch, which essentially acts like a fiber. Yeah. And they're also really great for potassium, which is another mineral that can help with heart health as well. So, put your own toppings on them. Again, so versatile and easy to make.
And these are great. I know for myself, I find parsnips I don't usually gravitate to, but having it this way, I love a good fry. So having it in like a fry form for sure is a great way to make it more, user-friendly.
Totally, yeah. Get our kids helping as well too. And even if you don't have an air fryer, they can definitely be done in the oven as well. But the air fryer just makes things, that much quicker.
Perfect.
So
I know you've been mentioning it all segment long, but where can people get more info?
Yeah, so gwillimdalefarms.com.
Awesome, Nicole. Thank you so much for these incredible tips. And we'll have this on our website, chth.com/morninglive. Good morning.